Welcome to Ginger Media channel. This is a channel where we explore the truth behind the headline. Media practitioner Mary Ikoku arrested for driving with the aid of Google Map in Abuja. This happened today, the 4th of December 2019. It is unbelievable that here in Nigeria, people are reasoning from the behind. People reason from the orifice. Can you imagine someone being arrested for using Google Map, not holding the device on their hands? The device is not, the crime is not that you hold the device, the crime is that you're driving with Google Map. A media practitioner and development consultant, Mary Ikoku, has reacted after she was placed under arrest by Federal Road Safety Corps, FRSC officials in Abuja, and later told to go for mental evaluation for driving with Google Map. This is funny. How can you tell someone who is using a technology to go for mental health, for mental check? What of those stupid siren blaring politicians? They are the one that should not only go to mental checkers, but to occupy medical beds. Rather, someone who is using a GPS is asked to go for mental evaluation. People, what happens if she was using an inbuilt GPS by Google? What could have happened? Now, claiming in a serious traffic offense, the Federal Road Safety Service Corps arrested the publisher and impounded her car. When she asked what her offense was, she was told to show them her phone. They noticed she was using Google Map, so they told her that that was an offense, and that was it. Her car was impounded, and she was asked to follow them to their office. How can that be? People, even if an offense was committed, what you do is you book someone and let that person go and pay, not impounding and disrupting that person's journey. She was fined 4,000 naira and was also asked to check the National Hospital for mental evaluation for driving with Google Map. Sharing her photo of the offense sheet opened for her, she wrote, wow. We still have a lot of surprises in this Illiterates. Men of the Federal Road Safety Corps have just impounded my car, she said. Asked what my offense was, they said, show me your phone. And I turned my phone to him, and the guy said, you are under arrest for driving with the aid of Google Map on your mobile phone. Wow, I am seriously. Are you kidding me? He said, madam, it is a serious traffic offense. I asked to see the team lead, thinking that it was a joke. Their team lead came, and after hearing from his colleagues, and he said, the law forbids motorists from using mobile phone in any form while driving, as it can lead to accident. Of course, a lot of things can lead to accident. Even them, when they work, sometimes they even consume alcohol on duty. Can that lead to accident? Then she continues, I can see you are using Google Map on your phone, madam. It is distracting. So follow us to our office. She continued, this is unbelievable. You see, I have an emergency and have requested for a ticket so I can deal with that later. But they said, no. I must drive to their office. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I have been given the 4,000 naira ticket to pay to remitter. My offense is using GPS. They have my car and my car keys and my driver's license. When I'm done paying the remitter, then I can be checked into a national hospital for mental examination for using GPS while driving. This is unbelievable. The real mad folks are those who believe it is an offense to drive with GPS. I agree with her. Those are the real mad people, those that believe that it is an offense to drive with GPS. They call Google Map a distraction. So if you're driving in Abuja, so basically you have to ditch your GPS and drive on. Just get at the middle of the road, stop your car, call one of them, one of the traffic warder, block the traffic and say, Oga, it is I need a direction to Apo Villa or to Asokoro or to Day, wherever it is you're going. Just anywhere where you are going. You don't need direction map anymore. The worst kind of illiteracy is the illiteracy of the government. That defines it. When a government does not know that the technology Google Map is there to help people navigate, to avoid traffic, because what Google Map does is, if you have the data on, that is real time. If there is traffic, it helps you avoid traffic, redirect traffic for you, and helps you to stay alive and consume less petrol. But how do we have in Nigeria? Please, again, the lady concludes, please, if you have any opportunity to live in a saner place, now it is time to weigh your option and check out. A lot of things don't make sense here in Nigeria. Look at it. People are talking of how to come back, but the way people in diaspora are thinking of how they come back and help this nation. Google, just today being the 4th, Google just unveiled what they call the visual positioning system. It's no longer GPS. GPS is coming and is becoming an outdated program. As Google is doing that, what we have in Nigeria is people being fined because they are using GPS. What an unbelievable nation called Nigeria. How can people wallow in ignorance and think that they are helping anyone? How can people just keep, reasoning from their behind, reasoning from the orifice? You find someone for using a travel aid, that is GPS. Jesus Christ, what a banana republic that nation is becoming. We must all come together to fight this madness and bring it to a standstill. Once more, this is Njenje Media channel. Subscribe to the channel if you want to reach Njenje Media. Njenje Media can be reached with the following email address, that is njenjemedia@gmail.com.